Hello Cougars, this is Dr. Jim Brewer, District Administrator for the Clinton Community School District, and the shout out of the week this week goes to our amazing Booster Club and everybody involved in that organization. I want to thank you personally as we get started. So the shout out of the week this week goes to our Booster Club. In particular, this weekend we have our annual Super Bowling Fun Trivia fundraiser, and to talk more about that is
Mr. Gamble, I'm the Athletic Director for Clinton Community School District. And yes, as Dr. Brewer said, this weekend is our annual Super Bowling Trivia Night. It's a fun night to come out. Mr. Vance does a great job with some Clinton trivia, but he also does a nice job with just trivia in general. And then there's some fun bowling and some prizes and things like that, like silent auction items to raise some money for some of our programs.
Yeah, and all the funds go to not only our sports, but all of our activities. And with us today, who happened to be walking by the Commons area as we were about to do this, we dragged her in, is?
Gabby Rissi.
So Gabby, you participate in volleyball, for example. Are you aware of the Booster Club?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you tell us, what you said earlier about the Booster Club?
I want to thank the Booster Club for supporting all of the Clinton Junior Senior High sports. I think they do an awesome job at all of their fundraisers.
That's awesome, Gabby. Thank you. We all feel that way. And again, this group works tremendously hard on behalf of all of our students, Gabby and everybody else, providing an enhanced experience in whatever endeavor these kids participate in. Mr. Gamble, real quick question. If there are individuals who are watching this shout out of the week this week and they want to get involved in the Booster Club, how do they go about doing that?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Booster Club meets every second Wednesday of every month, and right here in the high school commons.
Okay.
At 7 o'clock, and
Okay.
yeah, you can come and whenever you feel like
So
it.
I could just come walk
Yeah.
right on into the Commons area and
Absolutely.
join the group, introduce myself, and get engaged.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
absolutely.
And again, the whole purpose of the Booster Club is to provide an enhanced experience for people like Gabby and all of our other amazing students. Again, thank you, Booster Club, and go Cougars.